Spring is in the air, and it's time to inspect and maintain our vaults. For field maintenance, first remove any equipment from the vaults. Check for any abrasion, deformity, cuts, or sharp edges. Ensure that the nose and nose slot are aligned properly. Check that the locking mechanism has a smooth action and functions correctly. Ensure the wire gate sits properly in the nose. Tighten the retaining screws as necessary. To lubricate a sticky or squeaky wire gate, add 2 drops of duck oil at the gate hinge. Next, we'll remove the locking vault for a thorough cleaning. Inspect the retaining screw and threaded area. Immerse the vault in lukewarm, soapy water and operate the locking mechanism. Use a soft bristle brush to remove debris. Also reference our carabiner maintenance series for more thorough instructions on cleaning and lubrication. Rinse thoroughly in fresh water. Wipe dry with a clean cotton cloth. A light stream of compressed air is also recommended. Once the vault is dry, lubricate the hinge area on the spine. Locate the drain port and apply lubricant to the compression spring. Also lubricate the gate hinge and apply a few drops to the rotating barrel. Wipe away any excess lubricant with a cotton cloth. For maximum enjoyment, reinstall the vault on your harness and tension the retaining screw.